I'm going to show you how to easily share your rap to any social media, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, in your messages, just anywhere you want, and with your friends. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you need to open up the Spotify Wraps app. Now, the first thing you need to do is you open up the Spotify app like I've done so here, and you actually want to click on the Wraps option in the top middle of the screen. Or if it is gone, you can go to the search bar and just type in Wrapped like so. And simply click on the Wrapped option, and it'll bring you to this panel like so. Now, from here, you need to click on your Wrapped option. And once you're on this page, you simply need to skip through all of this and go to the very last slide like so. As you can see, we can simply click on the share option after choosing our preset. You can choose the colors of your choice. Click on share, and you can swipe up and share it to any of these apps like so. Instagram stories, Instagram messages, WhatsApp, TikTok, and so on. Or you can even download this image just by clicking on the download option right here. But I'm just going to click on stories, and you can see this is how we can easily move it to our story. And you click on share, and this goes through the same for all social media apps like so.